Okay, ladies, it's slowly approaching. That's my Seductive ArT workshop. This is a pre-Valentine's Day event. I do not celebrate Valentine's Day, just so y'all know. I'm just keeping a buck. But for y'all that do, like, okay, it's a pre-Valentine's Day situation, as well as it's the ultimate ladies' night. So it's happening February the 8th from 7 to 9 p.m. Ladies, you cannot pay at the door. You have to purchase your tickets beforehand because there's a limited seating. It's a very intimate space and a very intimate group of ladies that can come, which is only 15. So get your tickets. So look, why do we need to do this? Like, especially this is a black woman's thing for black women, because there's like so much shit, the bullshit that just be going on like out in this world. Now I don't even know. Let's just talk about this real quick. This dude, his name Corey something. He's an influencer. He picked up these white chicks. They called him, said that to break it down, he picked up some white chicks that he met. Then now he get accused of kidnapping. This other black man, I just did a video on him yesterday. He was wrestling with this Caucasian Karen, and they like to slap around each other in the bed, and she done put this man in prison. Shit like that. Having confidence like within yourself, like sexually, like being confident. Like when you confident as a woman and you see another woman, then you see her shine, you may like her style, you just might like her grace, you just might like it's nothing for you to say, yo, sis, you look good. I like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's nothing to do that. But in order to do that, your confidence level about your own self has to be high. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna work on that. Being able to get what you want out of your relationship sexually. And be able to tell him what you want, not just going along with it just because he's going along with it. This motherfucker want to just only, let's just hypothetically speaking, he only want to fuck in the ass. Like, girl, you don't see a problem with that? You know what I'm saying? Like, if that's all this motherfucker want to do, you don't think it's a problem? We got to talk about that, like ignoring the signs about motherfuckers. Just because you meet somebody does not mean that this person belongs in your life for a longevity. Maybe it was a good night together, and that's it. You know what I'm saying? And if you value your relationship, there are things that you should and should not do. I think. Now, mind you, it's totally up to you. You're going to do however you want to do, because this road of life is your own. But if you are guided in the right way, or put some information in your head that can help you, that will benefit you and your relationship and your relationships that you are developing, that it's just create greatness. You understand what I'm saying? The more you know, like, it's some real shit, the more you fucking know. Like, and I find that some women just be going along with shit, just be going along with shit. You might even be attracted to this motherfucker, fucking them for money. Now I ain't talking about prostitutes. You know, and I like prostitutes. I told every prostitute I have ever met was cool as fuck. To me. You know what I'm saying? And just a host of things. Not only that, there's visual stimulation. You know how to visually stimulate your partner in and out of the bedroom. You know, that's where the fashion portion comes in, as well as the character that you create, how to stay within that character throughout your sexual experiences. And then we get into what I was just talking about, was like the real sex talk. There's like a couple of topics on the table. Oh, one of the things I definitely don't tap in is like parenting, and how do you talk to your children about sex? How do you, especially with them being inundated with LGBTQ shit and all this shit. LGBTQ, sit your ass down. Like, I'm just saying, like, it's just like in your face, and then it makes them try to feel like as if like they gotta be a part of it in a way. If they're not thinking for themselves, if you're not teaching them to think for themselves, and you're not having conversations with them about this shit, and not only that, depending on how old they are, if they smoking weed or whatnot, like or drinking, how they can easily get taken advantage of. Like, this is a whole host of shit, yo, that we just have to get into for real. And also, y'all think about another topic is a little girl, what's her name? Nazaya, who was messing with it was his niece. She 13. It's a grown ass man fucking a 13-year-old girl. Child, and some of y'all be ignoring shit like you don't see it. And so we're gonna stop that shit right now. We're gonna stop that. And then we're gonna start on our heels, and I teach ESS. That's the erotic sensual seductive dance, and we're gonna get it in. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be fun. And yeah. I hope y'all come and join me. Oh wait, as far as like with the shoes, with heels, like we're gonna talk about shoe maintenance and also how to walk in heels with confidence and technique, because it is a technique. Do heels hurt your feet? Yes, they do. Yes, they do. Yes, they do. But if you learn how to do it with confidence, you're gonna be all right. Just know how to maneuver. Everything is about like how you maneuver, right? So I hope y'all join me. That's my Seductive ArT workshop. It's a workshop like no other. It's sexy fun. It's informative and interactive. Wine will be served. There'll be giveaways on every hour. You're going to learn about Hempsville Harlem. This is a brick and mortar, a black-owned brick and mortar. They sell all CBD products. So you're going to learn a lot about them. So I hope y'all join me. That's February 8th. That's on a Saturday from 8 to 9. Stop playing, talking about something it's cold outside. Girl, get your ass outside. I see you there. Peace.